Hello friends, Running Kimono here. These are the best curbside deals for the week of August the 2nd to the 8th over at Walgreens. You're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. We can use little discount codes with. A lot of people prefer to shop this way. Let's get into it. Now, yesterday, I'm going to let you know the Walgreens app, the Dollar General app, the CVS app, you weren't able to load your coupons, and it was very hard to navigate. Around 10 p.m. last night, it started working. You might have to log out, log back in, but it was punky for most of us across the board. Now, in store, all of the digital coupons, all of the sales prices were ringing up properly, and register rewards were printing for me. I did go in store because I had a couple register rewards that were expiring. Everything worked out flawlessly for me. So I was like, why is your app not working? And Dollar General too is very, very frustrating. If you are in-store shopper, you don't want to deal with like curbside deals. I'll link this video at the very end. Lots of very sensible and reasonable deals that you can do in store. A couple other pieces of business before we hop into it. If you're going to really buy a lot of beauty care, we have this code BTS20. I think it's back to school 20 for 20% off of health and beauty care. So just remember that. WAG 10 and Save 20 are also working as well, but none of them are stacking. Now, with the P&G promotion of spend 45 to earn back 15, if you do not like what I have picked, you can look for any P&G product, which is the manufacturer. And if it has this, it should trigger the 15 back when you spend 45. Remember, class, you have to get to that $45 threshold, and it has to be after a promotion code such as WAG 10 or Save 20. We do have this $4 digital that's attaching to these Unstoppables. Not able to load it yesterday. It would make it 99 cents. But if you can see, it's part of the spend 45 to earn back 15. If your store has this in stock and it's on the app, this is a much better item to grab. Unfortunately, not here in Michigan, could not get it to rock and roll. Let's get right into the deals with deal number one. Now, obviously, you're going to need your best friend loaded, which is a 15 back when you spend 45. And as you see, it's valid from the 2nd right till the 8th. Because this is a spend offer for the balance of all these deals, you have to pay with your debit card, credit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash. Okay, so for this one, it is a tribute to skincare, and I know a lot of us really love skincare. We have a 15 off of one for this Olay Super Serum. You can either get the night one or this other one for daytime with sunscreen. It's $34.99 with a 15 off of one digital coupon. We're also going to toss into the basket for $29.99 one of these Regenerous with an additional 10 off of one digital coupon. So if you're counting, that's $25 of manufacturers right there, meaning like one of these is going to be practically for free. So I am not complaining about that this morning because that is some tremendous savings. And a lot of us love this cheaper skincare because it's really worth it. So just to show you guys our chorus line, so that 10 off and then the 15 off, $25 of manufacturers, and then using the code Save 20, an additional $8 melting off right there. Okay, so the overall total here is $64.98, $8 melting off. So let's do the math really quickly, class. We are still at $56.98 for the spend 45 to earn back 15. You're still there. $25 also melting off. So you're going to pay $35.40 with your debit card and then get back $15. So not factoring in the tax. So it makes it about $17 for the two, or like $8.49 per item, which is fantastic. So what a great deal for skincare. Okay, so the next couple deals we're going to look at involve a lot of detergent, which is everybody's favorite. Again, you need your best friend loaded, which is a 15 back when you spend 45. I believe this is also of a one-time use. Doing it curbside because you can use those little discount codes a little easier than doing it in store. We're going to grab one of these Cascade Platinums for $19.99 with a $5 off digital coupon. Now, That specific coupon is really high value. I know Dollar General and other stores had a $4 one, but a 5, ooh, that's not bad, especially for Cascade. We're also going to throw in one of these Mr. Clean. It's like a tub cleaner with some other magic. I know a lot of you probably curious. We have a $4 digital attaching to that as well, and it's at magic price of $12.99. I'm going to let you know the liquid detergent. There isn't one for $12.99 as of the recording of this video, so it's just kind of odd. I'm going to toss this friend into the basket. It's just one of these continuous oil warmers. You put the oil inside of there by Febreze, and it's magic. We have a $5 off digital coupon. The final item to get the math to balance is a $4.99 laundry product. You can get Bounce Sheets, Tide Liquid, Tide Pods. I'm going with the Tide Pods. It's my favorite. We have a $1 digital, and it's part of the spend 45 to earn back 15. Now, just to show you this, here we go. We have the Mr. Clean, Febreze Air, Tide Pod, WAG 10, and Cascade. That's our gorgeous chorus line of coupons. The total here is $49.96. Subtracting $3.10, it's $46.86. So for the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are golden. Subtracting $15 in digital coupons, and then we're getting 15 back. It's like you're getting your whole cart for just under $17, which is not bad. Remember, for the balance, do not use any Walgreens cash, debit, or credit card only, because you have a spend booster in play right there. Final deal that I have cooked up for you. Again, you need your best friend loaded, which is a 15 back when you spend 45. Have that friend loaded, and I think most of us could load it the Wednesday previous. So for this card, we're going to be grabbing one of the $15.99 Tide liquids. We have a $4 digital coupon and a Tide Pod for $12.99 with a $3 digital. I'm going to let you guys know this is really odd. For some of the Tide products, the larger ones or the larger Gain products at $15.99, I still cannot load the coupons. But if I loaded them last week, they're coming off perfectly, but not now, which is really, really odd. Remember that customer support, if you remember you loaded them, they have a record of it on your card. So if it doesn't come off, you can always call back customer service to get a missed coupon for the amount. Going to throw in this friend for $15.99, and we have a 3 off of 1 digital coupon, and it is a Gain laundry detergent 100 loader. A little harder to find this one. I'm not messing around, but a $3 digital attaching. And then to get the math to math and balance, we're going to throw in this guy. I always throw in a Tide Pod, so please don't hate me for that. If you want to go with something else in the $4.99 line, like dryer sheets or the scent beads, that would be even better because we have a $4 coupon for those scent beads, but I don't have it here locally. Now, just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, $3 off for the Tide Pod, $3 off for the Gain, $4 off for the Tide, $1 off for Tide Pods, and an additional $3.50 off with WAG 10. So the overall total, guys, $49.96. minus $3.50. So we are still at $46.46. So you're still at that threshold of spend $45 to earn back $15. You have $11 in manufacturers melting off. So $35.45 before tax, getting back $15. It basically makes your cart $20, which is not a bad little deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.